Today we are going to learn another logical group instruction. Here we are making ORing of data. In the last year we learned about the OR gate which perform the ORing operation. If both the inputs are low, then the output will be low, otherwise output will be high. That is, if input is 0 0, then output will be 0. Otherwise, if input is 0 1, output will be 1. Input is 1 0, output will be 1. Input is 1 1, output will be 1 also. So same thing we have to do bitwise in ORing. Here we are taking 8-bit data either in register or memory or directly and ORing that data with the accumulator. Depend upon this, there are 3 instructions that we are going to learn today. First, ORAR, that is logically OR 8-bit data in register with accumulator. As register is involved, this is register addressing mode instruction. It is 1 byte instruction having 1 machine cycle. Here 0 sign parity flag are modified, auxiliary carry and carry flag are reset. The content of accumulator are logically ORed, that is it perform ORing operation with the register content. Register may be A, B, C, D, that is general purpose register, and depend upon that the flags are reset. Now suppose here accumulator contain 29 hex and register B contain 35 hex. Then after operation ORing operation, that is ORAB, the content of accumulator becomes 3D hex. Okay, so bitwise operation that will be carried out. The next instruction is ORAM, that is here data is in memory. So logically ORing 8-bit data in memory with accumulator. This memory is indicated by HL pair. So addressing mode is register indirect addressing mode, 1 byte instruction but containing 2 machine cycles. Here also 0 sign parity flag are modified, auxiliary carry and carry flag are always reset. The content of accumulator are logically ORed bitwise with the content of accumulator which this memory is indicated by HL pair, and result is again placed in accumulator. For example, if accumulator contains 03 hex and HL indicates the memory D000 hex, which is D000 hex content data 81 hex, then after execution of instruction ORAM, the content of accumulator becomes 83 hex. And the last one instruction in ORing is ORI 8-bit data. Here 8-bit data, it is not in register or in memory, it is directly given in the instruction. So logically ORing 8-bit data immediately with accumulator. Its addressing mode is immediate addressing mode. It is 2 byte instruction. First byte is the opcode of that instruction and second byte is the 8-bit data given in the instruction. Here also flag, sign, 0 and parity are modified. Carry and auxiliary carry are always reset. The content of accumulator are logically ORed with the 8-bit immediate data specified in the second byte of the instruction and the result is placed in accumulator. For example, if accumulator contains 35 hex and after execution of instruction ORI 99 hex, the accumulator content become BD hex. In the next lecture of this logical group instruction, we are looking about XOR instructions. Thank you.